I've made a decision, a conscious decision, that I'll proceed on the 18th with my application.
This is what set the ball rolling for the upcoming bid to have the charges dropped. The state believes accused number 4 was outside the house on the day of the murder.
Is there evidence, when you put aside the two confession statements, to the effect that accused number 4, Mr. Maphisa, was present at the scene at 13511 Kutwaneng Street when this offense was committed?
Yes, so if you have to look at other evidence that was obtained that implicates accused number 4, my lord, the latest, I'll start the latest and go backwards. It's Constable Zungu, that's the first one.
Brigadier, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I'm going to request you, Brigadier, to refer to the evidence of persons or witnesses who have already testified before court. In this court, now, is there evidence on record?
No, but my lord, I was not sitting in court. I mean on
record, Brigadier. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt you. My question, so that you understand it very well, is there evidence on record since the inception of this trial placing the accused, that is accused number 4, at the crime scene where this incident occurred? Is there evidence to that effect?
My lord, I didn't sit through the proceedings, so I will not be able to explain the evidence that was led by experts and the witnesses that came to testify, so that will be difficult. I can only refer to what I wanted to refer to insofar as the evidence that link accused number 4 in the commission of this offense.
Okay. Is it also correct that from the evidence of Ms. Makete, he couldn't physically identify and place accused number 4 at the crime scene? He just saw 3 male persons running away from the crime scene. Do you confirm that?
Is it Miss?
Mokete.
Mokete. Oh, yes.
Mthokosiziseni Mokete.
My recollection of Mokete, yes. I mean, it's a description, my lord, of what she saw. I don't think, like I said, my lord, none of the witnesses, if I can just put it that way, be it inside or outside, identifies any of the accused specifically.
Legal experts say accused number 4 will need to show that no case has been made against him.
Now, in order to be successful in such an application, the accused will have to show that there is no evidence that he has to answer to, and no credible evidence, and that the strength of the state's evidence against him in the matter is of such a weak nature that the only result that could come from him having to testify and present his case is that he will be incriminating himself in the charges that have been leveled against him. So the judge will have to weigh up the strength of the evidence that the state has presented against him, and then we'll have to make a decision on whether the accused can be forced to answer upon those charges. If he finds that the evidence is not strong and not credible, and that there's no case for accused number 4 to answer to, then he will grant the Section 174 application, and accused 4 will be acquitted on all charges that he is faced with.
Griselda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.